Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so in the Unison section, we have Unison order of 9. I have Unison panning at 100%, and that's that. In operator 1, I just have a saw wave. Operator 2, I have a saw wave, and I have these harmonics I drew in just for upper harmonic activity. I had the skew on the middle tick, shape on the middle tick, the sine shaper at between the 5th and 6th tick, and I have a little bit of noise as well. And I route the volume to mod X, and this is my shape. Operator 3 is a square wave, so I have the shape between the 5th and 6th tick, and this is just I have a similar sort of deal. I want a more upper harmonic activity, and I have the volume route to mod X for this as well. So in the matrix, basically what I'm doing is honestly I usually control this volume knob, but I guess when I made this patch I just used the matrix instead. But operator 2 is FMing operator 1, and operator 2 is actually carrying the signal of operator 3 modulating operator 2. So in short, this isn't the exact waveform that is modulating operator 1. It's the result of operator 3 FMing operator 2 that is modulating operator 1. That's that. And operator 6 is just a sub. It's not even being routed to volume this time. Sometimes I choose to do that, sometimes I don't. So filter 1 is a peak filter, and I have high quality triple mode on. I have the resonance at 33%, and not the resonance. I have the cutoff at 33%, the resonance at 50%, and the gain at around 63%. And I route the cutoff to mod X, and then basically what's happening in this filter is I'm sweeping it down from some arbitrary frequency and sweeping it down to around 300, 400, 500 hertz to build the vowel sound. And I serialize this into filter 2, which is a high pass filter. I have high quality and triple mode on, default cutoff, default resonance, and I had this route to cutoff to mod X, and this is my shape. And I route that to filter 3, which is a phaser. I have high quality, flat, and alternate triple mode. What's happening here is I have in the cutoff, in the Unison index mapping for the cutoff, this is my shape. And what's happening here is that each of these bars right here, if you follow my mouse, is a phaser. And since we have nine voices, these represent the 9 voices, and each one is a phaser, and the Y value is the cutoff at which it's at. So I like to call it like a distribution graph for the cutoff, and that's what I'm doing. I have a tension of 32.34% because that does make a difference. Let me show you. So on and so forth. And I have the resonance routed to mod X, and it's just slightly going up. Honestly, probably negligible, but pretty particular with my sound design sometimes. And for the effects, I don't have a chorus on. I just have a delay on, no feedback, no delay time either. I just have the stereo offset, 1.8 milliseconds to the right, and the volume at 81. Well, this is 81%, positive 81%, and I have ping pong on, and that's the sound. definitely feel free to mess with the FM or even RM some things, because that would sound cool. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know and have a great day.